3 go to the main. Everybody else loads up. Here they go. Flagman looks them over. And the green is dropped. Austin Rogers works the rear end of the 24. He'll go to the outside. Austin Rogers grabs the top side as they shoot off into the backstretch. The 5 machine of Keller got a little bit loose there. He gathered it back. Here's your top 3, Rogers, Dial, and Tice. Oh, big smoke. Big smoke for Williams. Something is rubbing or coming apart. Oh, he slaps the wall. Not a good night for the Williams brothers. Greg Williams slow rolls it near the top side. He is detrimental. Headed to the pit side. He'll be a fan for the rest of the evening. Tice brings him around. Chad Tice looking to make a name for himself in that 2014. Scotty Dial got a lot left of that C4. Here comes Austin Rogers. Austin Rogers says he likes that top side. 6 machine, you're done. His night's over. He's headed to your pit side. Austin Rogers has the 3rd spot. He's working now on the 2nd spot. Keller on the inside looking in. Here comes the 14. Jamie Foskey from inside row number 4. He wants his name in the bucket. Top 3 will transfer. Keller now in that spot. Can he maintain it? Going to slide up there and cut Rogers off. Nice slide job by the 5. Dial holds them back. Here comes the 20 machine. Carl Kilgore has survived the survival of the fittest here. Keller, will he push him out of the way? Scotty Dial move back to 3rd. Keller leans on him. Rogers still there. We got us a dogfight for that final transfer spot. About 4 cars. All somebody's got to do is slip up. Keller loses it. He has to back out of the throttle. That'll open the door for the 14. The 14 now, Foskey with the final transfer spot. 4 to go. It's heating up now, race fans. 4 laps to go. Got an eye of a tiger right now. Who's that 20 car? Kilgore. Kilgore in the 4th spot. He's in the 20 car. Will he move Powell? Where's that fence? 2 to go. White flag is out. There it is. White flag. White flag. Chad Tice. Looks like he's going to bring it home. It's going to be Dial in the 24. Uh-oh, Kilgore leaning all up on it. Kilgore got the hood out in front of him. Kilgore with that final transfer spot. He may have to fight for it, though. Not happy, not happy. Yep, it's going to be something. He may pay for that one. Y'all move now. We need you moving on the other side of that pillar there. Thank you. Thank y'all very much. Here's the green flag. We're going back to business. We got Blaze Chatham out front. It's Bird on the outside. Top 3 transfer. Nick Brown in the 12 machine. He's got that final transfer spot, but watch out. Here comes Comer in the 02. Justin Comer is 3 wide. They're bumping and bouncing. 77. Brandon Whitley. Brandon Whitley gets knocked out of the groove. He's back in it. Whitley in that red 77. They're going to take it 3 wide. It is not enough room. Somehow they made it, though. Austin Maskey all the way back from the 6th row. He's battling for the 4th spot. Stephen Fretwell trying to hang on. Somebody done lost their hood. We got debris on the racetrack, but no. Oh, there's the caution. Caution on the speedway for a hood on the racetrack. Green is out. Oh, bumping and rubbing. That's a little bit too much loving between the 24 and the 14 and the 12. Something's got to give. Them two may have just cost themselves a transfer spot. Rubbin's racing. Now he's wrecking. Blaze Chatham got the chrome horn. Takes out the yoke tire, comes into the front of the field. Now we got a cluster. And cars are spinning all through the racetrack. That's exactly why we need y'all four-wheelers to back up. Back those four-wheelers up. Somebody needs to get, Mert, y'all need to get those four-wheelers, back them up. All right, Bird got the lead. He's got the transfer spot. Nick Brown in the 12. Here comes Richie Tazen. '77 leaning on the 19. Brandon Whitley. We got a spinner over turn 3. Green is out. 6 to go. Bird, your leader. Brown, we got collision. The 0-2 and I think the 00, they may be tied up. Caution on the speedway. Green is out. It's Bird out front. Here comes Brown and the 77 of Whitley. The 19 of Tyson in the 4th spot. '81. Justin Carter from the 12th starting spot. He's moved halfway up through the field. He's now in the 6th starting spot. And he is rolling some coal, that's for sure, up on the top side. Brad Taylor in the 11 car. We got some action for the lead. Nick Brown piece to the inside the 4. Can Nick Brown get a nose underneath him? At the rear quarter pound flag stands, 2 laps to go. We could be coming to the white flag this time by Brown with the inside line. It's Bird on the outside. They're door to door, side by side. Here they go to the finish line. Brown able to scoot that hood right there in front of him. Brown, that leader for that lap. Can Bird get it back? Whitley in the 3rd final transfer spot. This is for the win. Nick Brown in the 12. He might have it. He does. Nick Brown takes home the checker. Jason Bird will get that transfer spot. Whitley in the 7-7. He'll transfer as well. Green flag. Top 3 wheel transfer. Oh, they're bottlenecking up in the backstretch. Oh, man. Atwood, a hard, heavy lick. Ouch. Man, oh, man. Ladner and Williams make contact. Runyon's gonna try to get a run on them. Right to the back bumper. Here they go. Green is out. We'll look and see if they clear through 1 and 2, 3 wide. Coming out of the exit of 200, Runyons gives up a couple of spots there. There it is. Jeffrey Walker, he's got him in his sights at 12J, moving toward the front. Walker will peek down to the bottom. Walker looking for the transfer spot, wants a win. That's the first time out this year for this 12J. Oh, and a big one behind him. It'll collect 5, 6 cars, 7 cars. Oh, man. Samantha Johnson, we got something very important to yours. Samantha Johnson, we got something important to yours. Green flag is out. Tucker Bird will lead him into the backstretch. Here comes Walker. Jeffrey Walker peeks to the outside. Here comes Big Hit. Chris Reeves in the 420 Alan Green Special. He's got the final transfer spot. Alan Crawford takes the wall down. He rim rides it all the way around. Oh, and McNeil gets turned around by the 11 car Runyons. Now we got a big pile up. Wow. Caution light is out. Here we go, green. Tucker Bird. Jeffrey Walker on the outside. It's Chris Reeves in the 420. Walker. He's going to set him up. Chris Reeves. Got to give him some room. Jeffrey Walker to the outside. Here comes Reeves. Reeves said, I ain't got time to play. We're going to be 3 wide. 3 wide coming through 3 and 4. Walker backs out of it. Walker now goes to the inside. That'll leave Reeves in the middle. Here comes Blake McNeil. Seth McNeil. Chris Reeves pulling away. Little bump and run. Okay. Brandon Elwood started on the outside row. Chris Reeves has started to pull away. Walker and McNeil battling for that final transfer spot. Caution is out. White flag. This is the money lap. Chris Reeves out front. Walker in that transfer spot. Oh, McNeil drives it too hard. Nobody spun him. He spun on his own. We'll see the checkered here. Oh. Checkered is out. Walker transfers. Bird transfers. Chris Reeves with the win. There is a bad collision